Well, I've planted these up now. I had these flowers that were growing out of another pot and it was getting too big, so I went ahead and planted these up in here, and I absolutely love it. I think it'll be so pretty when they grow, starting to grow out of this. And the roots will be able to grow down into the ground because this is placed right on the ground. It's the perfect fit. I have one over here. Next year, I'm going to use these same things, and I'm going to put tomato plants in them, and I'm going to have nice little trellises up here. It's the perfect size for a tomato plant, or maybe herbs. I'm not really sure exactly. But for right now, I have the lantana right here that I just planted in here. It's absolutely beautiful. I can't wait until next year.
Here I just wanted to show you how easy it was to put together. It came very well packed with all the tools and the nuts and bolts it needed. It also came with a protective coating on the outside that I had to peel off before I started this process. This raised bed is a 2 by 2 by 1 foot height. It was perfect. It also came with a gasket on the top, and you'll see that in a second. That was very well made, so it helps protect you. This overall was a great product, and I would recommend this to anyone.